Have you any idea how many lads are floating ladders around, calling themselves windmills? But Peggy might have a point.
Yeah, Pops.
Her description of the pickup bag.
You can't have it, Tinker. This is for Pops. Yeah.
Now, in broad daylight. Yeah. Quick while it's gone. Go on.
Poor little Patty's got the sniffles. So hopefully you'll feel better in a couple of days' time. Now I've got Tinker there. She smells the vitamins. Oh, you can't have it. It's medication, sweetheart. As much as I love you, you can't have this. But I'll give you some vitamin paste in a minute. Okay? Yeah? No. To think she was totally feral. Look at her. But she still doesn't like to be lifted up.
Mind you and Jack. Yeah, well. Look, Gina, if anyone could join that, it'd be you, obviously. But I certainly want to say.
To make sure he gets every little last bit. Yeah, Pops?
Did he touch you?
Well, it's not it all before. He tried to kiss me.
Oops.
And then he wouldn't. And that's when he lost his temper. I mean, he's just got this idea in his head about me, that's all. I mean, I'm sure he's harmless, really.
You were saying I didn't have a wedding, I think.
I just don't want to get anyone else wrong. The man frightened you half to death. I saw the state you were in when you got here. I just don't want to make a fuss. And you're not. Come on, Rosie, someone's got to make him see sense. Rob speaks to him, might actually listen.
So where does he live? Do you own the address?
No.
No.
Well, he only went out with him once. I just know there's somewhere in Whitby.
No, good boy. A tiny little bit left. So that's good. I have to do the same again tonight. Okay. So there you go, Pops. Good boy. And as you can see, he's got cataracts in his eye. You just saw it at a glimpse there. And there's nothing the vet can do. It was basically neglect of whoever owned him before.